Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you my fidgets. So yeah, let's get started. First, I have this like circle one. It's really calming. It's nice and squishy, and it's homemade because I put like stuff like toilet paper on the back to keep it together. So like if this is a Draco, so I put toilet paper on the back so it'll stick together. And like it doesn't come off. So yeah, this is a very good quality and soft. I recommend you making this, and it's nice and comfy. Okay. Next, I have this star one. I did the same way, but like this one's like less squishy and like more something else. Next, I have the squishy mochi. Oh yeah, it's very squishy and stretchy. Mochis are stretchy. This is a very good quality squishy, but it's very dirty because I use it a lot. Next, I have this crunchy ring. It's like a ring that crunches. You only have to make it homemade. You can't get it at any stores. You have to make it homemade. So yeah, crunchy ring. It's really nice and good quality. So I recommend you making it. It's really good. I swear.
You can't have our tree. I'm taking the tree too. My parents always said mine doesn't grow on trees when I want it to sing. So they lied. They lied. Yep. He just said he'd do a backflip.
So yeah. He's a very good quality guy. He's really cute and nice. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get another fidget. I'll be right back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Next I have like the circle poppet. Really good quality, see? I love my poppet so much. Oopsies. Okay, so poppets are like really good quality. I swear they're like really nice. So like this poppet is really good. It's like so good that you really want to buy a poppet. I swear poppets are the best toy ever. You can really buy it. You have to get it off Japan though, because Japan has like the best things ever. So yeah. I also have another one I'm going to get. Here it is. My second puppet. I got them two at the same package. The package is dope.
There's some leftover on it. You want it, Tyler? Thank you. Make it a little lighter. It's a little heavy. I want it. All right. I'm taking my tree and I'm leaving.
Yeah, puppets are really nice. Buy them anywhere, buy them wherever you want. But they're only at Japan, so if you live in Japan, I recommend you getting these because they're the best. Next, I have this. People wouldn't say these are fidget toys because they usually just go on your wrist, but it's more than just a wristband. It's more like a fidget toy because I like to fidget with it. Yeah. Nothing really bad. This one's a good quality one. It's like a dancing flamingo. Okay, next. This thing. I don't know. So you stretch it, but not so far. So yeah.
Give me a list of anything you need for your shelter, like literally anything, and we'll go buy it. Anything that we use on a daily basis.
I don't know what I'm going to pick next, so I'm going to do it right now. Okay, so don't worry, I'm doing my fidget out. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no. You get this one.
So the shelter has a lot
I'm gonna get out this one. Okay, I'm gonna keep into it. Okay, so next I have this squishy ball. It's really good quality. Yeah, it is. I could just throw it in the bin. It made it. Okay, next I have this water timer. People love water timer. Like if you shake it, you turn bubbly.
What do you think the people there need? We definitely are in need of
So look, Scrunchy is very good fidget toys, very good fidget toys. Like I love my Scrunchy. It's very nice and comfy. It's almost like a pillow. It's very nice. And yeah. Next I have this Happy Squishy. Yeah, it's very good quality. Yes, yes. It's very good. I have this thing. People say nothing's a fidget toy.
I need to tell you guys about
So,
Dragon
yeah.
City because they're the sponsor of this video. Dragon City is a free-to-play game available on iOS.
I'm sorry about the background
Dragon
noise. So
City
yeah.
even made me my own dragon. They took my logo and made an epic dragon out of it. They've only done custom dragons for 4 other YouTubers, which means me getting my own dragon is an epic victory royale. Vanos has done videos for them before, and Chris loves Vanos. So we've actually, played this.
I have this rock needle. I love it. It's like really nice. I love it so much. Yeah, but it gets tangled on your hand, so yeah. I also have this monkey noodle. It's not only a monkey noodle, but yeah, it's a monkey noodle anyways. This monkey noodle is technically homemade, yeah. Really nice to fidget with. Next, this very good fidget toy, very good. Also, I have this fidget toy. No, I'm just kidding. I also have this fidget toy where you like press it up and down. That's why I was buying and stuff. I also have this one, which is very good. So yeah. In the video. And yeah, that's my fidgets. And I'm gonna be doing a release to release these 2 fidgets. I just got them, but I really want to send them, so I get more money.
All you have to do is tap here and then
So
here,
yeah,
and
buy
then
them and you'll
boom,
get
you're a cool
that
kid. I need you
receipt.
guys to click the link in the
That
description and download
so
Dragon
if you
City.
put like
Let's get back to helping people.
done in the comments that you put done in the comments. So yeah, you put done for these fidgets. Just say just say trading and put fidget trading and you'll receive one of these fidgets. So yeah. And if you're a lucky winner, you'll get both of the fidgets and you'll get a scrunchie. Very good quality. I'm just kidding. You won't get a scrunchie. You will get a treasure chest of toys and fidgets and all types of stuff. So if you subscribe, like, and comment, you will get all of those things. Bye.